Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then launching the app right away. Make sure your device has at least twice the free space of the lost video, otherwise recovery can fail. Once done, connect the original storage via a read-only adapter or OTG cable, because writing to the drive can overwrite recoverable data. Then open the recovery app, accept only the permissions needed for scanning, and disable Cloud Sync so nothing uploads automatically. This starts the process securely and preserves recoverable files. You now run the scan and manage results to find the right files quickly. Select a deep scan when the disk was formatted or the file system is corrupted. Deep scans read raw sectors and find fragments. Make sure to filter by video types like MP4, MOV, or AVI to reduce noise, and use the timeline or thumbnail view to spot intact clips. Once you see promising previews, mark only the files you need and avoid selecting everything, because that increases recovery time and storage use. You finish by saving recovered files safely and validating them. Recover onto a separate drive or external disk, never the source media, since that risks overwriting other recoverable data. Once files are written, play them to verify integrity. Confirm timestamps, durations, and file sizes match what you expect. If a clip is corrupted, try another recovery mode or run a second pass with different settings, and make sure to back up recovered videos promptly. One troubleshooting tip: if recovered files won't open, try Remux.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.